My name is Rosemary, but you can call me Teacher Rose. So our lesson for today is about nervous system. Let me explain to you what is nervous system so that you could understand and I could explain to you what are the main parts of the nervous system. So the nervous system controls everything including breathing, walking, thinking, and feeling. This system is made of the brain, spinal cord, and all the nerves of our body. The brain is the control center, and the spinal cord is the major highway to and from the brain. So in a simple world, the nervous system is a body system which sends signals around our body. It lets animals respond to what is around them. The structure of the system includes the brain and spinal cord, which together are called the central nervous. The brain has billions of nerve cells to help think, walk, and breathe. So how important are the nervous system in our body? So the nervous system helps all the parts of our body to communicate with each other. It also reacts to changes both outside and inside our body. The nervous system uses both electrical and chemical means to send and receive message. So I'm going to explain to you what are the main types of nervous system. So the brain is a complex organ that controls thought, memory, emotion, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, hunger, and every process that regulates our body. Together, the brain and the spinal cord that extends from it make up the central nervous system, or CNC. So we have here the second major parts of the nervous system. We have spinal cord. So the spinal cord is a long thin tubular structure made up of nervous tissues which extended from the medulla oblongata in the brainstem to the lumbar region of the vertebral column. It includes the central canal of the spinal cord which contains cerebrospinal fluid. So what is the main function of the spinal cord? The brain and the spinal cord are your body's central nervous system. The brain is the command center of your body and the spinal cord is the pathway for the message sent by the brain to the body and from the body to the brain. So there are three main parts of the spinal cord. The spinal cord comprises three parts. The vertical, here, the neck, it is the vertical, thoracic, the chest, the blue one, and the lumbar, here, the red one. Three layers of tissues protect the spinal cord: the dura mater, arculoid mater, and the pia mater. So the last of the main parts of the nervous system is we have the nerve. A nerve is an enclosed cable-like bundle of fibers called axons in the peripheral nervous system. A nerve transmits electrical impulses. It is the basic unit of the peripheral nervous system. I'm going to tell you who also the sensory organ, which is also part of our nervous system. Sensory organ, much of this information comes through the sensory organs, the eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Specialized cells and tissues within these organs receive raw stimuli and translate them into signals the nervous system can use. So we have 5 sensory organs. We have the smell, the touch, the taste, and last is the sense. So here. So as you can see, it is the easiest way and understandable in the nervous system, which is in our daily lives and use it. Hope you understand our lesson for today. So kids, I'm going to give you an activity, which is you would draw and explain how important our nervous system is. And I want you to tell me what are your learnings about from our nervous system. So I hope you enjoy and you have learned about it. So goodbye, my name is Teacher Rose.
Good morning, ma'am. What I learned about nervous system is that there are 2 main parts of nervous system. The first part is the central nervous system, which is made up of brain and spinal cord. The second one is the peripheral nervous system, which is made up of the nerve from the spinal cord. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. This is what I learned. This is our brain. The brain is the center of our thoughts and the origin of our body movements. The brain has 3 main parts. The cerebrum, which is the largest part of our brain, the cerebellum, and and the brainstem.
A nerve is an enclosed cable-like bundle of fibers called axon in a peripheral nervous system. So axon is a thin fiber that extends from a neuron or nerve cell, and it is responsible for transmitting electrical signals to help with sensory perception and movement.
Morning, ma'am. This is what I learned. This is the spinal cord. The spinal cord is the long thin tubular structure made up of nervous tissue, which extend from the medulla oblongata in the brainstem of the lumbar region in the vertebral column. The spinal cord is divided into 4 regions: the cervical, the thoracic, the lumbar, and the sacral. This different region is visually from one another.